Hi, my name is Veera. In this video, we're going to create a union query in Report Studio. Before creating a union query, let's understand what is a union query and the conditions required to create a union query. Union query combines two or more queries into one result set. For example, if you look at the image, I have query 1 with 2 records and query 2 with 1 record. If I apply union query on these two queries, I'll get 3 records in my union query. The union set operation simply appends records from query 2 to query 1. To create a union query, 3 conditions must be fulfilled. The first condition is query items must be same in both the queries. The second condition is data types must be same in both the queries. And the third condition is the order of the query items must be same in both the queries. If any of these conditions fails, you will get an error message saying the queries for the set operation are incompatible. Generally, when you have data from different data sources, then you will create a union query. In the following example, we are going to combine target and revenue of product line which are coming from different sources. Now let's create a union query. Go to Query Explorer. From toolbox, drag query to work area. Drag union to right of the query. Now you can see two drop zones appear right of the union. Drag query to each drop zone. Query 2 and query 3 will be created in the work area and a shortcut will appear in the drop zones. Double click on query 2. From source tab, from sales query, drag product line and revenue to the data item span. Go back, double click on query 3. From sales target, drag product line and sales target. If you look at these two queries, I have two data items in first query, second query, and two data items in third query. That means if I apply union on these two queries, I'll get two columns. Product line will be aligned with product line. Similarly, revenue will be aligned with target. But our requirement is to have three different columns. To have that, we need to create data items, dummy data items in both the queries. Now, double click on query 2. From toolbox, drag data item to data item span and change the name to sales target and give the expression as 0. As we are dealing with the facts, we are giving the expression as 0. Similarly, create another dummy data item in query 3 and rename it to revenue. Now, if you look at the order of these two queries, now product line, sales target and revenue. But in the second query, product line, revenue, sales target, which is incorrect. To have that, as per our union query conditions, the order of the query items must be same. So to simply select the data item, drag it wherever you want, you can drop it. So product line, sales target, revenue, and then product line, sales target, revenue. The order of these data items are same. Now double click on query 1, drag from source tab, drag all the data items to data item span. Now now let's check this query, run view tabular data. Now see, we have two different columns, we are getting everything. As a best practice, we need to change for the facts, you need to change the aggregation to total. These are facts, we know, thus we are changing these aggregations to total. Now let's create a report, list report, drag from toolbox, drag list to the work area, assign this query to query 1. Instead of creating new query, we can assign our union query. From the data item span, drag product line, sales target, revenue, and run the report. See, now you have a product line, sales target, revenue, and now report. Now let's test our conditions. The first condition is the data items must be same in both the queries. Now let's remove one data item from query 2 and check the result. Okay, now in query 2 I have 2 data items, whereas in query 3 I have 3 data items. Now run the report. Expression passing error because you are using this in your report, that's why you're getting this. Now remove this and run the report. Let's see. The queries for this sort of operation are incompatible. Okay, now undo. Do we have the same data items? Yes. Now the second condition is the data types must be the same in both the queries. Now in the dummy data items we created 0 as a fact. Now change this to character. Yes, simply put that 0 in quotes, that's a character. Now run the report. See, the queries for the set operation are incompatible. Okay, undo. Now the order of the data items must be same. See, now if you look at this two data items, product line, sales target, revenue, product line, sales target, revenue. Okay, now change this. I'm changing the order. Run the report. See, again same error. But in some cases the order, if you change the order of the data items, you will not get any error message, because for example in this same example I have sales target and revenue, both are same data types. Now if I change this, I'm changing now in my query 2 I have product line, revenue, sales target, whereas in query 3 I have product line, sales target, revenue. The order is in different order, the order is not same. Now let's run and see. It's not coming. Let's rerun the report. Yep, see, sales target is completely 0, because now if you look at the numbers, the target is adding to revenue. When you have this facts, the facts in both the queries, facts are same, but you're interchanging the columns. That's why Cognos is not giving you any error message. The data types is same in both the queries. That's why it's simply aggregating those values. That's why you're getting all value in revenue column, whereas the sales target is showing it as blank. Now undo. Product line, sales target, revenue, product line, sales target, revenue. Right. So you need to be very careful while working with facts. If you interchange the facts, then you will get the incorrect results in your report. Now that's all. uh, Thanks for watching this video.